Let's see. So it's Halloween today, and I am thinking about this course that I'm building. I'm building a course all about SketchUp. And what I want it to do is I want it to be able to transform people that don't know how to use 3D modeling, um, architects that are struggling with conveying how their designs are understood by their clients. And I want this thing to be really awesome. And I'm just struggling with trying to figure out whether maybe I'm starting too big with my idea and maybe I need to create something a little bit smaller to begin with. So um, trying to figure that out, and I need some advice from you to find out whether what you're struggling with, how big I need to go with this course. And maybe it starts with a mini course that I can provide some value and show you how to get started with SketchUp and building in three dimensions, and maybe then that course then can grow out to be something a little bit bigger. But maybe I shouldn't jump in on my first course with something too terribly hard, or just this huge kind of ordeal. I don't want to be stifled and end up not creating my first course just because the idea is so large, basically. So I feel like if I start small, maybe then I can grow something into something bigger, version 2.0, 3.0, or maybe additional courses that kind of complement this first course, this beginner SketchUp course. So that's kind of what I'm thinking right now. I'm going through the process of setting up my Teachable free site and getting that up and running. I've got some information on my website. I created a new domain that links to a page on my website called sketchupforarchitectscourse.com. If you go to that, you will be sent to my website where you can sign up to be notified of the course and how this thing's going to develop over time. I'm going to send out emails on tips and tricks as we get along, and just kind of take you through the journey of creating the course and how it's all coming. So I appreciate you and would love to hear from you, your ideas on what you're needing in a course for taking your two-dimensional sketches into 3 dimensions and helping convey your ideas to your clients and customers. So love to hear from you, and I hope you subscribe. Go check out sketchupforarchitectscourse.com. That's FOR, not the number 4, but sketchupforarchitectscourse.com. Thanks.